hair is gonna be wet.
It's gonna be what?
Wet. This hair could be wet.
Oh, okay. Wait, it's okay if you do what? What's a level 1? Because I'm pretty sure we're on like level 800 right now.
It's a level 1.
A level 1?
Yeah, a level 1.
Jax, we're not shaving Mommy's head.
Why not? It should be little.
Honey, we're not shaving my head.
Yeah.
We're not.
I'm just doing this. I'm like, that's it.
I feel bad for breaking the bad news to you, but we're not shaving my head.
I'm only doing this part. I'm like, that's.
We're not plucking feathers from the parrot.
I didn't pluck it. It was on the ground.
What are we doing with that disgusting wet feather?
It's not disgusting, right? Get it wet and then it's like a leaf. Drippy.
Ew. Are you putting like antlers?
No,
Like,
like a leaf.
oh my god. So we're using hairspray as glue for the wet feather antlers. Do we have them placed the way that you want them? More hairspray is needed. We're just gonna comb my hair today. Okay. Where's Jax at? Jax, I'm trying to get. Where are you? So were you trying to cut my hair earlier?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm just.
You did it! Yay! More hairspray. Oh my god. Why? Wait, did you just say that looked like a dead cockroach? Wait, cockroaches make noises when they die? That's gross. I'm gonna assume that's hairspray. Yeah, I think we're good on the hairspray, bro.
Do it a lot like this.
Wait, you're doing it like what?
A hairstyle guy.
A hairstyle guy?
Yeah, they spray a bunch on you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's maybe other type of product. Maybe not just hairspray, right? You're very into this, aren't you? Getting creative. Do you think everyone's gonna think I'm beautiful? I just think I'm gonna be a head turner for sure today.
Now, Mama, guess what? I'm gonna be a footballer.
Gonna be a football?
Yeah, I'm gonna teach.
Maybe teach? Well, this is the final product.
You get the fillers.
Jax, you did a great job.
I know.
What's your favorite part about the style?